welcome to Yoga Over 40. So today I'm going to show you how we can utilize yoga bricks to help us out in some basic poses that you might encounter in your yoga class. So keep in mind that the bricks don't excuse us from learning the full pose, but they can help us when we're on our way. So most people don't have any problem doing this cat, okay, with hands and knees on the floor. But when it comes to the dog, this posture requires a lot more flexibility and length through the back of the leg, okay? When we're stiff at the back of the leg, we often find ourselves pushed slightly forward, and it's a lot of work for the upper body. Okay, and we just don't get the good feeling of what this stretch, okay? It's more about work rather than about stretch. So when we have bricks, it can give us the feeling that we're pushing back into the heels, into the backs of the legs, extending the backs of the legs. So that's the first application, is in dog pose. Okay? The second would be when we're stepping forward into this warrior, into this Virabhadrasana. Okay, a lot of people have problem getting their foot forward, stepping their foot forward. And that is because they are weak in their hip flexors. So if you're here from downward facing dog, and the instructor is asking you to step forward into this lunge and then come up, some people have a big challenge with that. So I just wanted to share how having bricks might make all the difference of that being within your range and being enjoyable. With bricks, you can still also do plank, chaturanga, and upward facing dog. And in fact, in upward dog, it really helps you get that feeling of lift. Up dog is a very lifted posture. Okay, so don't be shy to use bricks, okay? They're our friends. Another pose where they can be very helpful is child's pose. Because child's pose, even though this is a relaxing pose, okay, normally given as a resting posture, it does take quite a bit of flexibility in these inner groins. So when we have a brick, we can just take our head and rest it down. And this way we might be able to get more relaxation and more benefit from child's pose, kind of a more supported child's pose. Okay, so I hope this brief tutorial was helpful for you. If you'd like to join me in live online classes, which I conduct 5 days a week, then please drop me a comment below, and my email is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.